And these two are like an amazing young couple. They have 4 children. 4 children. Can you imagine 4 children during a pandemic? And they fell in love with the crypto world, and they were looking for a new opportunity. And then someone presented ours to them. Not me. Somebody that I know, that I know, that I know, that I know. That's super cool. And I just want to bring them on. There's no reason for me to tell their story. Let's let them tell their story because it's super cool. So take it away, Brittany and Troy.
Brittany and Troy, if you're there, go ahead and unmute your line.
Hey,
guys.
Hey, can you guys hear us?
Yes.
Hey.
Hey guys, we're super excited to be here. Really appreciate you guys asking us to come on here and share our story and talk about what we've been up to with this. We're super pumped. We've been coming on all these webinars, and we just really recommend everybody to just come on these webinars like as much as you can, definitely.
Yeah, we're super excited, and like she was saying, we're super grateful that you guys asked us to be on here. And we just want to tell like our story really quick, basically of how we got into crypto and kind of like our little background. So
basically like who we are. Like I used to work in the hospital as a nurse, and I quit my job about 5 years ago whenever my son got diagnosed with type 1 diabetes. And since then I've been working online, and I was with a company that basically got shut down, and then I've been working online ever since. Never really found like a home since then, but I can definitely say like since I found this opportunity, it's just been amazing, and it's definitely my new home for sure. But it's been life-changing for us so far.
Absolutely, yeah.
How about you?
And yeah, I'm an engineer. I work full time, so we're actually running this business together. And we've actually, like she said, we kind of got involved in crypto 5 months ago. We didn't know anything. We had no idea what we were doing. We were kind of scared, a little skeptical, and we just jumped in. We had some success. We feel like we got in a little bit late to that opportunity. So this time we're actually super excited right now. We actually are getting into something brand new, ground floor opportunity, a chance for us to, start from the beginning and just change some lives. Like we're super excited about this. We were able to, make 2,000 in a day. We're just helping so many people actually achieve their goals as well, which feels phenomenal. This platform actually kind of like provides support and helps them along, which is just amazing.
Yeah, we're really excited about, first of all, like the instant pay, like it's decentralized.
Instant payments, we love that.
So nobody's holding your funds or anything like that. That's important to us. And, we can do this being parents, like as well. Like that's important for me because this is my income. Like this is how, I provide for my family is by crypto now. And it's amazing and I love it. And I'm excited also that we get to learn about it with this platform.
Yeah, there's a lot of education with it, and we love that too, because like we said, we're not experts by any means, and we just got into this not knowing anything, and we just kind of learned as we earned, and it's been an amazing journey, I would say.
And we're able to learn from Brandon Ivy, who's a pro, basically,
Brandon,
like
he's
crypto,
awesome.
and just from everybody. You all are amazing, and we're happy to be here for sure.
Yep, absolutely. We're just super, super excited for just this opportunity, something that's, so like, economical, I'd say to start. We were able to get in, start with $40 and just work our way up. And we were able to achieve the top tier in just a few days, which is phenomenal. Most opportunities, you just can't do that. And
yeah, we're just getting started. We just joined last week, and it's amazing.
Yeah, there's like passive income opportunities with this, which we're extremely excited for. Who knows what the future could bring with those daily payments.
We're excited about that and everything else, so
extremely excited.
I love that. I'm so excited for you guys. Y'all brought so many people on board, and that's the whole snowball effect of a great opportunity. And yeah. I just want to thank y'all. And I love that. I mean, like, I'm jumping in here, Ann. I hate to to be the host for a second, but I love that you got kids running around. You got a baby up in your arms, and guess what? You still can earn. Yeah, that is the wave of the future. If this last year has taught us anything, it's that you need to be able to pivot immediately. And in a cryptocurrency opportunity, like has changed y'all's lives. I mean, $2,000 in a couple days, that's a big deal. So thank you so much for joining us tonight. And and love on that baby. And like, that's what, you know, we're here about at Twin Turbo, because we are about family. We are about being able to do this on the fly. And as always, no one left behind. No one. Just like they said, they started at the 40. They bought themselves up. I watched it happen, y'all. I watched it happen. And how encouraging is that to finally be involved in something that you can say, hey, I got an example right here. This gal's got her baby. She's doing a testimonial. Life happens. And when life happens and you can still make money, you know you're in the right place.